Hello again, thank you for joining our Vlogtober video number 5. Today we're going to talk about a couple of tricks and tips about how to manage time efficiently, and we show it by example, which is filming this video, and it's going to be 3 stages, and each stage is going to have 3 points, so it will be systematic and easy to follow. So let's dive right in. So yeah, here I use ChatGPT to get ideas for my video that I'm about to shoot, which is the video that we are currently shooting. And it helps a lot because it's relieving the brain from doing all this hard work of making up ideas. So ChatGPT really helpful with that. And I can do it very quickly and efficiently. It's amazing. We're then going to step number 2, which is actually outline the process that I'm about to do. It helps to not waste time, just understand what are your steps that you are going to do. And in this case, because we were editing the video, so we need to have the idea, which GPT helped us in the previous step. Then we have to do the script, the filming, and finally we are doing the editing. So in this way we can do it very efficiently and not waste time. And then the third thing I have to do is actually time frame the tasks that we have, because it will help me not waste a lot of time without like any restrictions. I know I have a half an hour for idea, and whatever I'm doing, after 30 minutes I stop and no more ideas. I have to move to step 2. And because if you don't do time frames, it can take like hours, days, and sometimes even longer, and it's very not efficient. And in such a way you can save time and also finish all the work in pretty much very effectively. And step 3 is where we're actually recording and editing the video using CapCut and all its tools. So in this case we're like speeding things up and checking if we can do some effects which we can make the video more concise, more short, and like make it more professional. So this is what we do in this section of the video. Now the second part is we are adding captions, which is the second part of step number 3, the editing. And because CapCut provides you with an AI option where you can just make the captions the way you want, the style you want, without doing it manually word by word. Just have to also later check and see if everything is correct, if all the words are perfectly aligned. It actually makes it really quick, and you can adjust the captions later on, and it's great because it helps the viewers understand you better, and it saves so much time using these captions. Later on, as you can see in the video, I'm just checking out some time frames just to see that it works fine, and this is amazing. Part 3 of editing, which is adding some special effects, which CapCut really allows you to do it very quickly and efficiently, and you can test many things, and it makes the video a lot better and more engaging. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a comment, tell me what you thought about it, and leave a like and make some subscribing, and see you at the next vlog. Bye bye.